for the future.
Well, hopefully you're outside enjoying the sunrise today as you look on our Syntex Roof Systems camera at the Killeen Regional Airport. While it's nice outside, temperatures in the low to mid 60s because later on this afternoon it will be quite toasty. We'll see numbers that we typically see more in the summer than we do here in the month of May. And that's why a heat advisory is in effect for a couple of our counties. San Saba, Burnett County, you're under this. That's where highs will likely get up to around 105 later on today out there towards San Saba and Burnett County. Now, we will not see 105s along I-35. But we'll be still quite toasty as we get into the mid to upper 90s this afternoon. It is drier to the west. That's where you have temperatures in the upper 50s towards Gatesville, Hamilton, and Goldthwaite. So if you're grabbing the jacket this morning, know to wear short sleeves underneath because it is going to be hot later on this afternoon. South winds at 5 to 10. That's bringing in some of the warmer air. But as we get into the afternoon, we'll actually see a switch to the southwest as a dry line gets closer to us, and that'll be enough to bring the big heat back our way, especially west of that dry line where you'll see numbers in the triple digits along the dry line, likely around mid to upper 90s. So I think officially at the Waco Airport we should reach 96, and that will tie the record of 96 for 1925. So a 100-year-old record being tied here today. East of 35 will still be in the low to mid 90s, but higher humidity will make it feel hotter. So everyone's just going to be hot today. As that dry line backs off, the areas that are warmer this afternoon will be warmer at morning in the mid 70s. And then tomorrow, as it gets a little bit more push from the west, that's when I do expect us to clock our first 100-degree day officially in Waco, and that will obliterate the record of 96 that was also set back in 1925. West of the dry line could see highs close to 105 tomorrow. So why are we seeing this? Well, we have this upper level ridge that has built up stronger than it typically does here this time of year. That's going to be with us here as we go through the rest of the work week, which means temperatures will likely near record levels. So we're at 96 today, again tying the record. Tomorrow breaking it at 100, and then we'll kind of flirt with the records as we stay in the mid 90s all the way through the rest of the work week and into early next week. Now, there is some signs of hope that we get some rain chances in here as that ridge breaks down a bit. That should allow a few disturbances starting Friday into Saturday. I think Saturday brings our best chance of rain. That's when I have a 30% chance of some thunderstorms. And since it's warm, we'll have to watch for the potential for severe weather. Notice those small storm chances do continue here as we head into early next week as well, but they're very isolated in nature. So 96 today, 100 tomorrow, 96 on Thursday. It's still going to stay hot wherever you are. Temperatures hang around the 90s even into next week with small 20% chances of rain holding on.
Where's our money going? What are they going to do to fix the problem? These guys came out here to help us, but that wasn't